Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how I make a really easy soda bread. You're going to love this. Let's go. Okay, this recipe is so easy. There's no kneading, there's no yeast, there's no letting the dough rise. You just mix it together and bake it. So what it calls for is 4 cups of flour first. So we'll get 4 cups of flour. And when you measure your flour, make sure you don't pack your flour down. You want it light in your cup. And you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. Okay. So, there's all our flour. Alright, now we're going to need a 1/4 cup of sugar. Put that in there. We're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to need a teaspoon of baking soda. With that. Okay, now we can put our paddle on. Put it down. Mix it just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put in a 1/2 stick of butter. And we're going to just let that mix until it's, coarse. You may have to get it off your beater. There we go. About the size of peas in there. It'll take just a few minutes. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 egg and we're just going to carefully beat it. Actually, what's a good thing to do is take your egg, because we're also going to need 1 1/3 cups of buttermilk. So just take your egg, mix it up in your buttermilk. That makes it good right there. Okay. And just slowly pour it in. You're going to love this stuff. It's wonderful. And it's easy to make. So you got to let that mix up real good. You don't want to over mix it, but you want to mix it up real good. It's going to be real sticky dough. You may even find you might have to add a little more flour, and it looks as though I will have to. So I'm going to do it about 1/4 cup at a time. See how it is? You want it sticky, but you don't want it runny like that. So this might do it. Let's see how that does. Now I need just a little bit more. There we go. All right, now at a time like this, you can add raisins or currants in yours if you want, but I'm just going to simply leave mine just plain. Get it all off your beater. and it's sticky, and you want it sticky, okay? All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of flour down on our counter, okay? And we are going to take this out of the bowl here and put it onto the counter. Because you're going to want to shape it. Okay. Okay, just give it a, you don't need to knead it. You just want to get it coated and get it shaped real nicely. And coating it, it will stop it from sticking on you. Just shape it into a nice ball. Okay, just like that. Now let me move my flour. I got my sheet pan right there, lined with parchment paper, and you're just going to lay it right in the middle of that. That is beautiful, beautiful dough. Just like that. Now this is going to go in the oven for 375 at 307. Let me start over. This is going to go in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. And you're also going to want to just cut across in the middle of it. And that will be it. When it's done, I'll bring you back and show you. There you go, friends. I just pulled my bread out of the oven. It baked for 55 minutes. It is beautiful. It smells delicious, and it's very budget friendly and easy to make, so I hope you give it a try. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.